You might be aware by now that they've enabled persistent storage on the BBC Microbit using MicroPython. They've modified the basic Python library to enable you to write and read directly to the microbit. It's no append feature, which does make it a little bit challenging to work with, and the 32K limit for the maximum storage space also does make things challenging. We're going to use a utility called MicroFS to enable us to upload and download files from the microbit so that you can work with them with your microbit programs, either reading a file off the microbit and storing it back to your computer, or writing a file to the microbit. The program you're going to need to be able to deal with this is a small program called MicroFS. This is the MicroFS website, and this is the import command that you're going to use in a minute through Python. You will need to install MicroFS on your machine with Python first. The commands are here. The Windows version of the command is there for you, so we can run it, and then we can also upgrade it. Now, I recommend upgrading on a regular basis. They've just recently upgraded to, I think it's version 1.02, but upgrade on a regular basis, you'll get the latest updates. So I'm going to start in Python, and I'm going to import all of the files. So the four main commands we're going to need is ls to list what's on there, rm to remove files, put to put something up, and get to take something down. So I'm bringing those down, and I'm going to have a look on my microbit and see if there's any files on there. So I'll use the ls command, and I'll have a look, and we can see there's actually nothing on my microbit at the moment. So I'm going to upload a file using the put command. So put, I've got a file on my C drive called fred.txt. Pop that up there, and it should come back with a true to say that's happened. If we do another ls file to see what's on there, there we go, there's our file on there. Now we can get that file. Now get just downloads the file directly from the microbit back to your local computer, and it actually downloads it into your Python install folder. You can put a path in and choose where you want it to be. One thing to be aware of is, you'll see I've made a mistake. Let's just do that again. You'll see it doesn't, there you go, it doesn't tell you that you're overwriting the file, so it will just overwrite files, so you have to be careful with that. If I list again, you'll see it's still there. I've downloaded it, I've not removed it. If you want to remove the file, rm and the name of the file, and then an ls again, just to prove that's gone. There we go. So just a simple overview of how we can use Python to upload and download files from our microbit. Once a file is on the microbit, you can access it in the normal way through the menu, opening the file, editing it. I've got a simple example on the microbitsandbobs.co.uk website where I'm data logging, recording the temperature, storing it on the microbit, and downloading it later. Thank you very much for listening. Have a look at the website for some more project ideas.